Hi dresser cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Aang from Avatar, The Last Airbender. So let's get started. To draw this cute airbender, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to start with a curve. So today we're going to be drawing, actually we're not going to be drawing Draw So Cute eyes. So we're going to come right here and start with a curve. I'm trying to draw it just like, I guess, a more realistic eye. So we have a curve right here, and then we're going to bring it in just a little bit right here on the end, and then just imagine skipping a space, and then about right here towards the bottom, just lightly draw a line. And then in this space right here, we're going to draw a circle. So it's a little bit more delicate. And then we're going to come right here with another circle. And then in the center, we're going to draw a dot. Just fill in this circle right here. And then the color of Aang's eyes would be right in this area. And then let's come back up to this curve that you've created and thicken it up just to anchor it a little bit more. There. Okay, so now we have to do the same thing on the other side. So let's use this point as your guide, and we're going to drag it across to say about right here, and we're going to draw the same thing. So go up just like the other side, and about the same width, so about right here. And once again at the end, just bring it in, and same thing at the bottom, about right here. Just a light line right here. There. And then in this inside, once again, we're going to draw a circle. And a highlight right here. And then in the center. There. Make this center a little bit bigger. Okay, so there, and then once again, I'm going to come right up here and thicken this part up. Just the top curve. Okay, so the hardest part is done, hopefully. And then let's come back up and then say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve for the brow and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And thicken it up, and then we're going to try to draw a little nose. So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to start about right here. Just going to draw two little angle lines very lightly, just for a little indication of a nose. And then a big smile for Aang. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve going up, nice and big, and cap it off. And then right underneath this mouth, just very lightly, just draw a curve. There. A little bit more complicated, right? A little more detail, but hopefully I'm helping you draw this a little bit easier. And from there, let's go ahead and we're going to start to frame the face. So let's use this as our guide. This little point right here, we're going to come out about right here. Same thing on the other side. And let's start to draw the face. So I'm going to basically a bottom of a U, but a little bit more angular. So let's bring this down. It's going to add an angle. Same thing here. And then about right here, kind of like where the mouth starts, we're going to start to angle it in for a jaw. So same thing here, start to angle it in. And we're going to bring it down to say, about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center. And let's bring this down. And as we come down here, just straighten it out for a chin. So same thing, and go up and connect. There. Okay, so then from there we need to draw this big head right at the top. So we're going to angle it out still a little bit more. And then let's go ahead and start to curve and bring it in. So nice and high. So let's say about right here. Give myself a point. About right there. And then come down. Oops. And connect. There. Okay, finally done. And then let's draw the ears. So right about here in this angled area, we're going to pop in ear and then draw details inside, and same thing on the other side. So about right here, bring it in and curve. And then of course we need to draw the arrow right on top of his head. So let's see here, find your center, about which is here. We're going to go on both sides of that center, and we're going to draw an angle line coming down. And then about right here, I'm going to curve a little bit just to kind of follow the head, just to give it some volume. And then let's find your center again, right in between the brow area, about right here, and connect for our arrow. There. Okay, so hopefully that looks really nice, and that I'm helping you draw this easier today. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's find our chin area about right here, and we're going to pop in a little neck right in the center. And then from there, we need to draw the cuff. So I'm going to go around about right here, and same thing here for the collar, I mean, and then connect it with a V. And we're going to bring this in and connect it once again at the V. There. And then we can go ahead and draw the shoulder. So come right about here and start to come down, and same thing here, and down. Then from there we need to draw, I guess you would call this, not really sure what you call it, but I'm just going to say cape. So find your center about right here, and I thought it'd be really nice to give it some motion. So I'm just going to kind of curve it out, say about that much. Curve this out as well, and then right about here, just going to wobble and connect. So this part right here, we're just going to curve out as well. And let's bring this part out to about right here, and just connect everything there. And then now that we have that in, so you're just imagining his shoulders, his armpit area will be about right here. It's going to come down, so say about right here and here. I'm just going to draw two lines centering his body, and then about right there, connected for his belt. I'm going to come right here and wobble a little bit, wobble, and connect once again, and then come back to your center, come down to say about right here, draw angle line, and this is where his legs are going to start. So we're just going to draw two lines coming out. Then let's come back to this part right here. We're going to start to draw his pants. So we're going to flare them out, and here. So let's work on this side first. And let's see here, about right here. I'm going to flare them out a little bit poofier at the bottom, and then we're just going to wobble and connect, just to simplify it. So same thing here, curve in, wobble and connect there. And then we can go ahead and draw his legs. So about right here, I'm going to make this one come out about here, straighter. So let's bring this down, and it's going to get thinner as we come down to his ankles. Let's see, about right there, and then I'm going to come out for his shoe and connect there. And then for some details, come right here with a curve. And then there's a strap about right here. So same thing on this side. So let's come out, but I'm going to come and have this one facing his legs, his foot facing to the side a little bit more just to change it up. So it's a little bit more angled. But if you're not comfortable drawing like this, you can just draw this on the other side. So it's coming here, and then about right here, we're going to bring it down. Extend it out and bring this out. Curve and connect with the other foot. Then once again, we're just going to come right here and draw a curve and a strap, just like the other side. There. Okay, so then finally, oh, before I forget, I'm just going to draw in some lines to give our cape here some details. Nice and light. There, just to give it some flow and creases. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, let's draw the arms. So imagine his shoulders coming down about right here. So let's bring his hands to about right here. So we only need to draw the bottom portion, so it's a little bit simpler. We're just going to bring it down, thinner for the wrist, about right there, and then we're going to come down for his thumb, go around for his fingers, and connect. And then right here, let's draw a little band again. Oh, and then for his, we're going to put in another little line right there for some detail. So same thing on the other side. Shoulders coming down. And same width as the other hand. About right there. And once again, bring it down. For thumb, and then go around for the fingers. There, and once again, here and here to put in the details. And I believe that is hopefully pretty much it. I'm just going to come back in here once again and make it a little bit thicker. Just needs more thickness to anchor the eyes. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Aang from Avatar: The Last Airbender. I really hope you love this drawing that helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.